Hey there, Financial Bridge community. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we unravel the mysteries of finance and delve into the world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we're going to explore the recent surge in Bitcoin, the driving forces behind it, and what the future holds for this digital gold. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. If you're enjoying the content, give us a thumbs up and let's embark on this journey together. Alright, imagine this scenario. Mom, can I have $20,000 to buy a Bitcoin? Now, that might sound like a wild request, but with Bitcoin hitting new highs, it's not as far-fetched as it seems. In fact, the recent peak of $60,000 per Bitcoin has sparked a wave of memes and discussions in the financial world. YouTubers are back at it, creating content that mirrors the peak of meme mania. From Jim Cramer coping with reality to media outlets portraying the Bitcoin CEO as a lunatic, it's been a wild ride. But why is this happening? What's driving the resurgence of Bitcoin interest? As we explore this phenomenon, stay tuned for a deep dive into the factors behind Bitcoin's recent parabolic rise, including the impact of ETFs and the intriguing role of BlackRock, which now holds over 50,000 Bitcoins worth a staggering $9.5 billion. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the Coinbase glitch that sent shockwaves through the market. Imagine logging in to see your balance at $0. A glitch that caused Bitcoin's market cap to drop by $100 billion in just 15 minutes. We'll unravel the chaos and its implications. But that's not all. We'll also discuss the Ethereum spot ETF, potential future developments, and the intriguing prediction from Edward Snowden about a nation secretly accumulating Bitcoin as a modern replacement for monetary gold. Could it be Germany, Russia, or maybe the United States? Stick around to find out. Now, let's pivot to an exciting development involving MicroStrategy, a company making waves in the crypto space. As MicroStrategy surpasses the critical $15.8 billion market cap, it inches closer to being included in the S&P 500. Why does this matter? Well, it's a game changer, and we'll explore how it could expose a vast audience to Bitcoin, regardless of their initial stance on the cryptocurrency. If you're enjoying the insights so far, don't forget to subscribe to Financial Bridge. Hit that subscribe button and join our community for regular updates on finance, Bitcoin, and more. Your support keeps us going. Now, let's break down the numbers. Since the launch of the spot Bitcoin ETFs, over 317,000 Bitcoins have been purchased, totaling a staggering $19 billion in just 1 month. The demand is skyrocketing, creating an imbalance with the daily supply of 900 Bitcoins. This frenzy, driven by FOMO, is a clear sign of the growing interest in Bitcoin. But what does this mean for the future of Bitcoin? To understand that, we need to explore the upcoming Bitcoin halving in April, which will reduce the daily production to 450 Bitcoins. Even at this lower rate, the demand from ETFs could sustain the upward trajectory of Bitcoin's value. Now, for some context, 93% of all Bitcoins already exist in the market. With a capped supply of 21 million and considering that approximately 6 million Bitcoins are lost forever, we're looking at a scarce asset. In a world with over 40 million millionaires, the potential scarcity of Bitcoin becomes a fascinating aspect. The question lingers, why is Bitcoin's price soaring? The answer lies in the overwhelming demand outpacing the limited supply. To explore just how high Bitcoin could go, don't miss our Bitcoin price prediction video. It's a mind-blowing journey into the future of this revolutionary digital asset. Now, let's pivot to market dynamics. Morgan Stanley, managing over $1.3 trillion for clients, is eyeing Bitcoin ETFs. This institutional interest reinforces the idea that higher highs in the market are likely to cluster together. As MicroStrategy borrows against its stock to buy more Bitcoin, it sets off a feedback loop that could reshape the landscape of institutional investment. Before we conclude, let's touch on the recent prediction by Edward Snowden. A nation revealing its Bitcoin holdings could be a groundbreaking revelation. El Salvador's move to add Bitcoin to its reserves has already made waves. Will more countries follow suit? The possibilities are exhilarating. Now, a moment of transparency. I've had my share of experiences in the market. From buying into Coinbase at its IPO peak to weathering the storm as it lost over 80% of its value, the journey taught me valuable lessons. The recent glitch causing panic further highlights the need for caution in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. As we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What would you do in my position? Continue dollar cost averaging or make a lump sum investment now? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's have a conversation. Thank you for joining us on Financial Bridge. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more engaging content. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and be part of our community. Until next time, have a fantastic day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.